my feeling.
Dirty system try to hit me with the needle, man. Always losing my people, man. Deceitful, man. Take your boys back to beefing, man. And this when you try to lead the game. Close friends in the grave, I seen the stinking rain. Sticking needles in my body, diabetes, man. The struggle of a young hustler, I could teach it, man. Cancer in and out my body, I could breathe again. I seen chains so tight on my wrist, they bled on me. Brought OG in my circle for him to tell on me. They say my best friend murder brought the feds on me. Cause he was getting them for the low, now he dead on me.
Rest in peace, love. The rain, man.
And the rain comes down so hard.
In my life.
Why, God?
In my life.
The rain comes down so hard.
Man.
Try to lead a stay away from drama. Still on parole, fake cases from your baby mama. Lost trail mama, that was my right hand. Lost my auntie Keisha, I need a mama sing. Praying while my family, we in the rain again. Dude ain't finished his 10G money back again. Maybe it's cause I was singing, but we was raised to win. Bronson won't do that whole 10, I've been getting it in. Been crossed by niggas that hurt my heart like kidney stones. I got some henchmen gone, half my kidney gone.
You ain't no nigga. You ain't no nigga.
And the rain comes down so hard, hard. Oh my God. Why my rain comes down so hard
all the time in my life.
My God,
my God.
You know my rain comes down so hard. The rain come down hard as a motherfucker, don't it? He saved our life, God a motherfucker, don't. Dee sister Buck, she called me Lil Brother. 6-year-old shot by cops, ripped them up with cutters. This my state and guess what? He with my skin color.
He was white.
Look like going to that place, fucked up my friend's hustle.
She was right.
Seen envy hit my clique, I had to sit and suffer. And still be threatening to go to court by my kid's mother. This a real struggle. On death row I slept in water puddles. Heat so bad, it was scarred your brother. Front page of the newspaper, Angola, where the thugs go. King of all this rap shit, but I can't get no cover though.
But that won't stop my hustle though.
In my feelings, nigga. We in the Yo Live, nigga. You hear the juries, you hear the chains on, nigga. This the real live motherfucking session, nigga. You in here with me right now. Rain comes down so hard. Shit. Fresh off the bed, nigga. Fresh off the hospital. I don't stop, nigga.